In this video, I'm going to be covering how to do your first online agent, and you heard that right. Most AI agents need to do this complex, routine to look up things online that has all been changed with this simple update that N8N has released. So they just added this tool by the name of Perplexity, which is a powerhouse when it comes to searching stuff online. They are going to be acquired by Apple soon. Not official yet, so don't attack me on that, but it is just crazy. Just like how fast they're implementing new, AI modules and tools into N8N, and it's just super useful for us because it really helps with building. So now, with all that said, I'm going to show you how to basically set up your first AI agent that can search up things online, and that has been super helpful for me. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the plus button, and then we're going to go on to on chat message, click off, then we're going to hit the plus button, hit AI, then AI agents, then click added that. Then we're going to add our brain, our memory, and then our tools. So let's add our brain, ChatGPT. I preferably use 4.0 mini because that's just the most cost efficient and best for my use cases. Then we're going to use for beginners for memory. Pretty simple. Then we're going to head over and go to Perplexity, which is going to be right here. And, you do need your Perplexity API key, but, if you look in settings, it should be really easy to set up. You need to add money as well. I'm not going to show that because Perplexity does not block the API keys. So you would be using my keys. So we don't want that to happen. So for now, let's go over the models, right? So similar to ChatGPT, I always pick the most efficient one, which is going to be Sonar. And, once again, Perplexity is just super good at what they do. So even if you, use like Pro or Reasoning, like you're gonna get like a great answer anyways. So you're just gonna win regardless of what model you use. So then we're gonna ask it a really question that I am really curious about, which is lead gen. Hey, can you help me so now we're going to click out of that and open up this AI agent and give it a prompt. And the reason why, this is just way better than, Googling things is because, number one, you're going to be swarmed with ads and, they got your cookies, so they know what you're interested in. But with, ChatGPT and like these custom AI agents, you don't have to deal with all that. Plus, when you're in a prompt mindset, you're just going to get a lot better answers because you're actually, wanting the best answer. Because a lot of these models really need context. And, when you add tools like Perplexity, you're giving it a lot of context. It can be accurate, it can, stop hallucinating, it can be really on the dot when it comes to answering, your questions, and it just feeds a lot of information, which is always good for super AI agentic answers. So we're just going to say, hey, help us with getting some leads on Reddit using please. And then I've been testing this interesting prompt, which is, or else I will cry. And the reason why I do this is because it seems like the AI performs better when I'm giving it either a threat or like a super emotional state. Let's see what happens. All right. Let's do that and then say, hey, oh, what the heck can let's make this super niche so that it would only be answered by something that would be connected to the internet. So let's see. All right, sweet. So here are some practical tips and tricks for generating B2B leads on Reddit, specifically targeting businesses in California. Tips for lead gen: find active subreddits, strong brand or niche, Reddit ads, value over promotion, optimize your profile and posts, and then look at that. It gives us URLs to other websites. So that just shows that, it is definitely connected to the internet. So that is insanely cool. And, the prompt that we used earlier has really given us a super detailed answer. And, yeah, it works. So I hope you got a lot of value from this video and understand like the power of Perplexity, because the more contacts your AI gets, the better you're gonna perform and you're gonna get leads. So if you enjoyed this video, please comment, just say what you liked about it. But other than that, see you guys in the next video.